Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Mi Pro 5G, and I'll show you how to change home screen transition on this device. So to do that, you need to slide with your two fingers at the same time to the center, and here tap on the settings icon on the down right corner, and you'll see the first section here, this transition effects. Tap there, and now we got the default ones, the slide, and now you can just select one from these available animations, and for example I will go with the rotate one, and now just here to set this transition, just tap here to done. Now we'll just go back, and as can you see, we just successfully changed our home screen animation on our XIAOMI Mi 10 Pro 5G. So that's how it looks, and if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.